Hi everybody. So this is the character assignment for week 1 of the Reacting to the Past unit. I'm going to go over this assignment and how you will be evaluated. This assignment is for week 1, and this is about learning which character you are playing and how that character thinks. It should be 2 to 3 pages long and written from your character's point of view in a voice approximating that of your character. So it does not have to be a formal academic essay. That means it's a little easier to write 2 to 3 pages. You can use I, etc. It must include the following elements: a 1-page summary of your character's life. If you are cast as a composite character, your role sheet will tell you, and you must create a life story. You must cite at least one source other than Wikipedia and the role sheet. Please see your role sheet or me for suggestions for how to find more information. You will pick out at least 4 of the documents in the game book. That's in Part 2, Historical Background. And let's see where else we have. Yeah. Yeah, and you can also take a look at the introduction just to help you orient yourself to the game. So you're going to choose 4 of the documents that seem relevant to your character's concerns, one of which must be the Constitution. You're going to write a paragraph on each of these documents, summarizing the document and explaining your character's attitude to that document and the reasons that you approve or oppose it. And you must include at least one document your character strongly opposes. So, for example, if you have a character who is very strongly supporting the status quo and is pro-slavery, you would maybe have an abolitionist document as the one your character opposes. So as you try to get into this person's head, you try to see how they see things. So that's what you're doing. So you'll have 1 page is going to be your character's life, and then you're going to have 4 paragraphs. And hopefully, I'm guessing you're going to be closer to 3 pages than 2 pages. But if it's 2.5 and you write concisely, that's fine. So this is the rubric for how you'll be evaluated. You'll see here there's a total of 12 total points. The biography, is this accurate or plausible? And you do not have to cite, I'm going to put 1 outside source and not 2 because we're not meeting personally, so I can give you a little bit more lenience there. Let's see, have you clearly and accurately explained the content of the documents? Is that there? Does your paper plausibly reflect your character's point of view? Is the writing clear, correct, and reflective of the character? Now, I don't need you to go through the thesaurus and come up with the most elaborate words you can find to think of you as a good writer. As long as your writing is clear and I can understand your ideas, then I'm really happy. So I know a lot of students get kind of nervous about their writing, and I don't want you to feel that way. Writing is a means to an end for a lot of people, and you'll be doing it a lot in pretty much any job you have. This is the scoring guide. I'm assuming most people will be in the A and B range if they've thought about this assignment well and followed directions. If you have any questions after reading this assignment and reading your character sheets and reading the primary sources under the historical background section, then just let me know if that is the case. Oh, I'm sorry. It's Part 5, Core Documents. Part 5 is the Core Documents section. I will make sure that I mention that. Game book here. I'll put it right here. Part 5. that seem the most relevant. Alrighty, thank you so much for your time, and I'm excited to read about your character perspectives. Thanks.